Welcome to CIU Labs, an initiative of Cambridge Intercontinental University. Imagine a castle under siege. Without a plan, the defenders are doomed. They are reacting to each attack randomly. They have no idea where the next blow will land. This is no way to defend against a determined enemy. Threat hunting is like defending a castle. Your network is your castle. Attackers are constantly probing for weaknesses. You need a plan to find them before they breach your walls. Preparation is key to a successful defense. You need to know your network inside and out. You need the right tools and the right information. Without a plan, you are fighting blind. Just like a castle needs strong walls, a good defense starts with a solid plan. Before you can defend your castle, you need to know its layout. Where are the weak points? Where are the blind spots? You need a blueprint. In network security, this blueprint is your network diagram. It shows all the devices on your network and how they are connected. This map helps you understand how data flows through your network. You can spot potential vulnerabilities by studying your network diagram. Are there any areas with weak security? Are there any devices that are particularly vulnerable? You can strengthen your defenses by identifying these weaknesses. A network diagram is a living document. It needs to be updated regularly as your network changes. New devices, new connections, and new threats can all impact your network's security. Defenders need eyes and ears everywhere. They need to know what's happening inside and outside the castle walls. This is where network data comes in. Network data is like the intelligence reports for your defenses. It tells you what's happening on your network. Session data shows you who is connecting to what. Full packet capture gives you a complete record of all network traffic. This helps you spot suspicious activity. You can collect network data using a variety of tools. Firewalls and proxies can be configured to log network traffic. Intrusion detection systems, or IDS, can alert you to suspicious activity. Security information and event management, or CM, systems can collect and analyze data from multiple sources. Encrypted data adds another layer of complexity. Tools like SSL, TLS decryption can give you visibility into encrypted traffic. However, ethical and legal considerations must be taken into account when decrypting and inspecting user data. The battlefield is constantly changing. New threats emerge all the time. Attackers are always finding new ways to exploit vulnerabilities. This means your defenses can't stay static. You need to constantly update your tools and methods. New security tools are released all the time. New attack techniques are discovered every day. Stay informed about the latest threats and vulnerabilities. Attend security conferences. Read security blogs. Follow security researchers on social media. The more you know, the better prepared you will be to defend your network. Just like a castle needs to be constantly reinforced and upgraded, so too does your network security need ongoing attention and improvement. Continuous learning and adaptation are key to staying ahead of the curve in cybersecurity.